welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. I'm so excited to have another video and bring my face here on the side of the internet. Guys, today is a very exciting one, as you can see me smiling all brightly and so, because we are going to be decorating upstairs for fall. Upstairs is where we mostly stay, so decorating over there literally brings fall and literally brings the spirit of fall into the house, so I cannot wait. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3, and here I show you guys how to live a simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If that is anything you're interested in, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button so that you can be part of the family, and I will welcome you dearly. Leave a comment, present yourself so the community can know who you are, and I would appreciate that. If you like the video, also do not forget to click on the like video. When you do subscribe, go ahead and click on the notification bell and press all so that you don't miss any of my videos. Many people are subscribed, but they're not getting my videos, and then when they see my videos months after, they're like, Gladys, how did I miss that video? I don't know. YouTube is doing something, I'm not sure. So please go ahead and click on all on the notification bell. Without further ado, guys, to the video. Let's go. Okay, so this is my upstairs living room. Everything is clean and naked. And with the blank slate, we are able to decorate. So let me show you guys how this is a better view. How it looks like right now. And we can go ahead and decorate it now. I don't like seeing this cord underneath my fireplace like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and start from the fireplace area and fix that part. So I have my basket. Inside of my basket, I have all sorts of movies, all sorts of memories, all sorts of books. We have 4 books here, which I'm excited for us to start reading now to the kids. We have Christmas movies, Christmas books, everything is in there. To make sure I don't see the clutter, I throw a blanket on top of it like so. And this is gonna help me cover the clutter of the cords that is right here. As you can see, you cannot see anything, and that covers that part. I love the sound of this fireplace. Let me show you guys. Love that. The fireplace is crackling. The leaves are falling down. It's such a cozy place. I love that sound. Now let's get back here. So what I have here, what I would love to do is use these, since they're the same berry color, and add them to these right here. So let's go ahead and try. So I like it, but I feel like it's missing something on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and balance it. Have this beautiful vase that I've shown you guys before, that I did it myself, kind of DIY, with some baking powder and some white paint. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. Right over here to balance the other side, and let's add some stems in there. So don't be afraid to use your greeneries in the off seasons. I'm gonna go ahead and use this greenery. I love the lightweight and the fact that it looks pretty realistic. And here to balance the fact that I have a lot of berries, color, and add the green on this side. So let's decorate the table now. I have a blank slate. I love the pure white of this table. The fact that it's a little creamy. I love that. So I want to put something that's going to pop here because we're not going to decorate the side slash accent table. We're only going to decorate this coffee table. So I don't want to overpower it, but I still want something that will say fall. So let's do it. I have this book from Martha Stewart. It's an older book. Again, the camera, it's not focusing, but that's okay. It's an older book. I love it. I love the fact that it's old school. Gives me kind of gives me a vintage feel. I love, you can turn this page to fall, to Christmas, Mother's Day. It gives you so much ideas. So that's what I like it for. So you don't always have to get a fancy book. You can get something simple like so. Have my kids here. They were downstairs relaxing and all, and I decided to bring them here so I can show them This is like, it has become a family tradition. This is what we do. I show them and I see their reaction, pure reaction. Betel, remove your hat, please. Okay, I'm gonna count to 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Whoa! This is cool.
Give me love, give me all your love.